In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a picture transparent in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're looking to add a subtle layer to your slides, blend images with your background, or just give your presentation a professional touch. So let's dive straight into it and unlock the potential of your PowerPoint presentations. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like an obvious step, but ensuring that you've got the right software up and running is crucial. Once you've opened PowerPoint, locate the presentation where you want to make an image transparent. This could be a presentation you're currently working on, or an existing file that you're looking to enhance. Just navigate to the file and open it up to the slide that contains the image you want to work with. With your presentation open, find the image that you want to adjust and click on it. This step is important. Selecting the image ensures that PowerPoint knows exactly what you're looking to edit. When you click on the picture, a new set of options should appear at the top of your screen. You're going to want to head over to the Picture Format tab, which should be one of the options that appear once your image is selected. The Picture Format tab is like a toolbox specifically for your images, so many of the editing features are easily accessible from here. Now within the Picture Format tab, you'll see an option labeled Transparency. Click on this and PowerPoint will show you a variety of preset transparency levels that you can apply to your image immediately. These preset options give you a quick way to test out different levels of transparency and see what looks best with your slide design. Finally, adjust the transparency to your liking. Simply hover over these preset transparency levels and click on one to apply it to your image. If none of the presets are exactly what you need, don't worry. PowerPoint allows for custom adjustments, so you can fine-tune the amount of transparency to get it just right. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly blend your image into the presentation without it being too overpowering. And there you have it. You've successfully made a picture transparent in PowerPoint, adding a sophisticated touch to your presentation. This simple technique can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your slides, making your presentation both engaging and professional looking. Feel free to play around with these settings to achieve the perfect look for your specific needs. Once you're satisfied with your transparency settings, don't forget to save your work. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to elevate your presentations.